I got the window seat. I had the chance to look out the window and the view was super pretty. A lot of lakes, water, patches of green, blue. I was like, oh, can we preserve this kind of view for the future?
The aviation and aerospace industry, for decades, it has followed this model of performance first, cost second. Somewhere down the list, we'll think about the planet. And that order has to change.
Why would any operator / manufacturer actually go towards that carbon neutral approach unless and until they see justification happen?
The biggest issue with aviation fuel is energy density. ATF, which is aviation turbine fuel, still contains highest amount of energy density. I want you to think of it, you cannot just put in a Tesla battery into an airplane, especially in civil aviation where weight is everything.
The biggest issue is energy density. We're not able to produce enough energy per volume, and that is why we haven't switched to it yet. I don't expect any airline manufacturer or producer to do anything about it. I think they care more about their profits than they do about the environment.
It's kind of a hot take there. I don't
I'm
know
here for the hot takes.
Why wouldn't the companies also not look into it if there's a financial aspect?
The electric side, you can think about hydrogen fuel cells. You can use this for short flights like prop flights. Right? Another method comes from rocket propulsion where you just straight up use hydrogen, burn it in air.
And you want to go back and do your thesis on it, don't you? Just throw a ramjet on them and then just fly.
Now, you could do this, right? Who knows? Maybe tomorrow some kid is gonna come up with a great idea and he'll be like, I heard the podcast, they gave me an idea and I made it.
For the last 40 years or maybe more, we have not changed the design of our aircraft. With many companies like this, Auto Aerospace, which is trying their best to have cool designs, aerodynamically much more efficient designs to have lesser fuel burns.
Previously, just launching one satellite used to enable massive amounts of wastage, and the capacity to reuse a launcher itself saves so much. If two satellites hit each other, there is going to be a bunch of space debris that comes out of it. That debris is going to start hitting other objects, and it is going to exponentially increase the amount of debris in space. Now, with the increase in the SpaceX satellites, the Kessler syndrome is no longer a theoretical concept. This is something that could be an eventuality, and most of it is going to fall on us. When it comes to space travel, I think it's about ethics, because there has to be an ethical call on planetary protection and long-term sustainability. Outer space belongs to all of us. It belongs to all of us as humankind. If there is no sustainability as part of the business, we are very slowly ensuring that there is going to be no future.